To pay your mortgage with American Express in 2025, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, check if your mortgage lender accepts American Express payments. Not all lenders accept this form of payment, so it is crucial to verify this information before proceeding. Next, log into your American Express account online or through the mobile app to ensure you have sufficient funds to cover your mortgage payment. It is also essential to review your rewards balance and any potential benefits associated with using your American Express card for this transaction. Once you have confirmed your lender accepts American Express and you have sufficient funds, you can initiate the payment process. You can do this by visiting your lender's website, selecting the payment option, and choosing American Express as your payment method. You will then be redirected to a secure payment page where you can enter your American Express card details. Alternatively, you can also use a third-party payment service that allows you to pay your mortgage with a credit card, including American Express. These services often charge a convenience fee, which can range from 2 to 3% of the payment amount. When making your payment, be sure to consider any potential interest charges or fees associated with using your American Express card. It is also essential to review your card's terms and conditions to understand any rewards or benefits you may be eligible for. In addition to the steps outlined above, it is crucial to keep a record of your payment, including the date, amount, and confirmation number. This will help you track your payment and ensure it is processed correctly. By following these steps and considering the associated fees and benefits, you can successfully pay your mortgage with American Express in 2025. As with any financial transaction, it is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions and ensure you understand the implications of using your American Express card to make your mortgage payment.